Hey, top of the good morning to you, everybody. How are you today? McOBeauty. Wow. Little pocket rocket this little thing is. Loved it. Want to see more? You know what to do. Do it. Top of the good morning to you, everybody. How are you today? All right, we have come in with a base on already, and we're going to come in with some McOBeauty highlight, eyeshadow, mascara. We'll see where we go from there. So let's get into the video. I'm going to come in here with this little gorgeous little palette and start with this one here. We're going to swatch them. So we all know Sophie Monk. If you watched The Bachelorette, if you used to know a girl group called, look at that, pretty nice. A girl group called Bardo. She was in that. She's got a lip line. I think it's a lip line. Could be more with McOBeauty. She's gorgeous. Alrighty, number 2. Number 3 on the top line. Number 2 on the second line. Very nice. Very, very pigmented. Wow. Wow, that's awesome. Going into this goldy color here. Gold. Maybe not. Wow. That's gorge. Have a look at that. Bottom row. Last one. And coming in with the last one on the palette, which is a matte. Pretty nice, actually. Wow. Very pretty. I'm also going to show you their highlight and glow stick in the colour Champagne. That's pretty nice. So this palette here is First Impressions for me. I haven't used them before. Glow stick I have. Pretty nice. A lip gloss in the colour Peachy Nude. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Awesome. So there you go, guys. We have the McOBeauty in the Peachy Nude palette. First Impressions. I'm going to use them now, and this one I've used before, which was the Champagne highlight glow stick, and the lipstick, which was the Peachy Nude as well. I have not used before, so we're going to use that as well. Let's go. Okay guys, I just came in with this Ultra 3 contour kit, did a bit of contour, and I'm now going to come in with the Champagne highlight and glow stick. Just going to wow, just going to dab it out. down the bottom of his chin. And just softening it up with my finger. Going to come in this stage with a bit of Rimmel hashtag #fix&go, just to soften it all up a bit and melt it together. Just a little bit. We just spray and spray and spray. It's so nice. Yay! Now I get to use my little nifty fan. Hubby went and got me one of these the other day. It's a little Euromatic. It's like it's like 5 speeds on it, and it just coming into the transition shade. We're going to go on the top right with a Real Techniques brush up over the brow bone. Gorge. I might go actually with the one down here on the bottom right. So the last one, same brush. So on the outer corner and then up into the crease. Open that up a little bit. Beautiful colours, beautiful pigment. Beautiful eyeshadows. Very nice actually. Wow. And then I'm going to come in lastly with this centre. Check that out. That's crazy. That is just spectacular. Wow. So pretty. So pretty. Crazy pretty. It works with both your finger and the brush, so wow. We're just going to bring that outside colour down the bottom. Wow. Sometimes you just don't know what's right in front of you. That's spectacular. Very impressed. Go McOBeauty. Woo-woo. Lashes are on. I'm going to finish this look off with the McOBeauty Peachy Nudie lipstick. Oh, it smells like you could eat it. It does smell like peaches. It's gorgeous. There you go. Finished look for today. I'm really stoked actually. Very stoked. I will list all products down below. Finishing off with a bit of Rimmel, just so I can get to use my fan again. Love it. Oh, my baby's always thinking about me. And it's dry within seconds. Alright, there you have it. Finished look for today. Had my base on with a little bit of different contour, and then I came in with McOBeauty and I loved it. Absolutely loved it. My eyes look amazing. I'll give this to myself. Wow. Very nice. Alright. Thanks for tuning in as always. Please take care of you and we'll catch you again soon.